Hello and welcome to today's ghost tutorial. I'm using a 3.25mm hook and acrylic yarn. I'm starting with a slip knot, and chain 13. First row, all single crochet. Chain 1. Second row, all single crochet. Chain 1. Third row, all single crochet. Now we single crochet along the side. So 3 single crochet. Now we single crochet on the other side. Okay, now we crochet on the short side again. So first 1 single crochet, then we chain 4, In the first chain, single crochet, in the next chain, single crochet, in the next chain, single crochet, and then we go back to the short side and go on with single crochet. So now we're back to the longer side. First 2 chains is a single crochet each. Then in the third one, a half double crochet. Then the next one, double crochet. And the next one, double crochet. And the next one, double crochet. And then we chain 3. First chain, single crochet. Next chain, single crochet. And a single crochet in the same stitch where we made the last double crochet. And then we go on with single crochet. All the way around, back to the other long side. So 1 single crochet, next single crochet, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and the 6th one, and then we chain 4, single crochet in the first chain, single crochet in the next chain, and single crochet in the third one, then a single crochet in the same stitch with the other single crochet, and then we go on with single crochet. And keep going with single crochet. And then we chain 4 again. First chain, single crochet, second chain, single crochet, third chain, single crochet, and then a single crochet, and we go on with single crochet, until we reach this tiny corner and we finish with a slip stitch. in the stitching. Now you can add 2 eyes only, and then you have your ghost, or you just stitch on a mouth too. I can show you that. So I place my yarn in the back of the ghost, take my hook, pull it through, like yarn over, and then you pull it through, hold on that tiny end, and then you turn it, and then you go in the next stitch, yarn over, and then you pull through the hoop. Again, yarn over, you pull through, and then through the hoop. It's like surface slip stitches. Okay, only a few. Then I bring back the end to the other side. And then you can make a knot. Doesn't need to be straight because it's supposed to be funny. And then you can add the eyes like the way you want, straight or one straight and one down. So you have a funny looking ghost. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a like or subscribe. And I see you next time on the hook. Thank you and bye bye.